Do you want that your practice should stand out as compared to your competition? Or, the moment patient wants to visit a dentist, the patient should come to your practice only. If you're really interested in knowing how to make sure that your practice stand out, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi, international speaker, bestseller author, and your practice growth expert. Someone who has helped more than 5,000 dentists to grow their practices by, hundreds and thousands of percentages. Yes, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to ensure that, with so many dentists around, every time the patient wants to go to a new dentist, or every time patient wants to visit a dentist, you should be their number one choice. How to make it happen? Now, think about it. The moment you say that you should stand out, what does it mean? It actually means that, if patient, for example, is looking at 10 clinics in the locality, your clinic should be number one, or your clinic should pop up, or your clinic should be something which should attract their attention. How is it going to happen? Think about this. Now, these 10 fingers, all of them are equal. All of them are similar. Okay? Not exactly equal in size, but then, all of them are same or similar. Now, nothing will stand out. Like if I take these 10 fingers, okay, and because all of them are same, none of them is standing out. But imagine if you find a different colored nail paint to only one of these fingers, what will happen? I hope you are getting my point. That particular finger will stand out. This is how you stand out. I hope you got the simple yet extremely powerful principle of standing out, and that is being different. Yes, if you really want to stand out of your competition, you should be different. And that be different can be applied in many ways. You can apply the principle of being different to your practice by means of all your branding and marketing activities, by means of your soft skills, and by means of your clinical skills as well. So every time the patient is going to see you or your practice, there should be some element of difference which they should find. So when it comes to the marketing and the branding elements, the logo of your clinic, the tagline of your clinic, the color combination of your clinic can have that different touch. Okay? Your website, your social media, the content that you put on your website or social media, the blog, and the way it is presented, not just the quality of content, but the presentation of the content, the way you engage your patients and potential patients on your social media, the way you brand your practice online as well as offline can have this different touch. When it comes to your soft skills, the moment patient walks in, the way your receptionist greet the patient, the way you greet the patient, the way you treat the patient, the communication skill, the way you use your words, the precision, the accuracy, the way you handle their objections, their questions about treatment, your voice modulation, your body language can have that different touch. The way you manage yourself, the way you manage your time, your appointments, payments, inventory, your staff can have that different touch. The way you present yourself, the way you present your waiting room, the way you present your receptionist, the way you present your operatories, the treatment, the cost of the treatment, your success stories can have a different touch. The way you do the treatment, the cleanliness, the sterilization, the hygiene can have a different touch. The way you do the treatment, your equipment, your expertise. In very simple example, the way you inject the patient, that absolute painless dental experience in your practice can have a different touch. And every single time you add that element of difference to your practice, your practice starts standing out in the eyes and the minds of your patients. And they're like, there is something different here. This practice is special. This dentist is special. There is something different. And this is what they remember. And this is what they talk about when they go back from your practice. Right? So the overall dental treatment experience, the way you handle the patients who are really scared about dental treatment or dental practice or the noise of the drill or the fear of injection or the phobia of dentist himself. Every time you want to stand out, you need to do something different. And being different and doing different all the way, every single time, will help you to stand out eventually. And it's not just one thing which is standing out for you. I hope you got many, many points where you can add that element of difference and that element of standing out. I wanted to put in the comment box, what did you learn from this video? And this is a very, very powerful video. Trust me, if you apply the principle of differentiation in your practice, and the world is full of examples. The moment you add the element of difference, the products or the services are sold faster. Apply this element of differentiation and you will be surprised that as you start standing out from the rest, so-called competition or crowd, your practice will literally accelerate and grow by multifolds, literally exponentially in front of your eyes. And it has happened for thousands of our course participants, who are part of my course community. And there is no reason why it will not happen for you. So apply the element of differentiation, stand out every time patient think about dentistry, every time patient looks at dental clinics, their logos, their signages, every time patient walks in dental clinic, there should be one feeling that should be constant. There is something different here, right? And as you stand out, you start becoming better, you start becoming more successful, and you will have a roaring dental practice. I hope you liked this video. Then put in the comment, what did you like about it? What all are the topics on which you want me to make the further videos? Share this video with your friends who also are willing to stand out of this competition. Right? This is Dr. Sujit Pardeshi signing off from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.